Welcome to the Blender Pro series, where the straight lines of CAD meet the delightful curves of creative rendering. Accelerate your creativity. It's like adding a turbocharger to your designs with the control of a finely tuned instrument. See your projects transform from the reliably practical to the dazzlingly brilliant. No magic required, just pure skill. Arrange your virtual canvas with the precision of a Scandinavian living room. Every element set with intent, every tool picked with purpose. Gear up for captivating renderings that naturally draw the eye. Charisma and clarity doing the work. Seeking a blend of smart and fun in your design process? The Blender Pro series is your ticket to leveling up. Lean into learning. Your click could open the door to mastery.